How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Well, a sad day, but a good day. It's Jason's 1970 Duster with a 318 3-speed on the column. Will be reborn as a race car. So it's not going to the crusher, but due to the condition of it, which I have in a previous video, it's going to be reborn as a race car. So we're going to get this thing loaded up and show you where it's going. You can see the condition here. It's been better. Kind of an odd little car. But it will be reborn, just a race car. Well, here she is all loaded up. She's rough. Cross member is non-existent. The board's actually holding up the trans. Jason's a little sad about this one.
A little is not the word.
You can see there, the plumb crazy. That thing's been, this frame rail's been scabbed in. Rocker's gone.
It's not completely gone.
There's a little bit of metal there.
That's tin.
I know.
So,
by the way, for loading old rusty wrecks like this, Harbor Freight, I think it was 50 bucks. Wireless remote, can stand 50 feet away, like we had to with this. And if anything goes awry, you're in a safe zone. Well, the Duster don't roll off the trailer. So it's hooked to the GMC or Chevy. We're just gonna yank and pull. See how this works. Yep. Hold on, we're moving to Chevy.
Whoa. Hold on. Usually Jason's watching one.
Usually.
Here we go. I think it's coming back. Pull forward another foot. Another foot. I think it's coming back to him. Yeah, it isn't going to roll very fast. Yeah, it's coming back to him.
Oh, there she goes. Oh, yeah. Keep going.
Keep going. Keep going.
Jason, you owe me a set of ramps. Well, here's the Duster in its resting place for a little while. And would you believe that this is a real deal 71 Charger RT that will turn into a race car? pretty bad. And then more race car stuff. And more race car stuff. This I think was a neon. Here's a 70 Cuda race car. Or not a 70. I can't remember what year. Doesn't really matter at this point. And then the Duster will most likely look like this. This is a demon. Clever. Pentastar. All Mopar powered. And this is a 69 Roadrunner that will be turned into a race car. Was a big block 4-speed car. As you can see, not much left. 6-pack scoop. But it'll be turned into a race car. So at least they live on in some way, shape, or form instead of becoming a Honda. Eight 3/4. Jesus crumb. This is bad. But it'll.
Not a nice car, but it's a nice.
This thing clearing the axle.
Yeah, it clears that axle. It's a land yacht. It's a mile in the year.
Oh, god damn it.
What?
Does it have a tack dash?
Yes. Fuck you, Chris.
Not mine, it's kids.
It's all your fault.
How the hell is even that?
I don't know.
I mean,
That'd be a perfect dent, too.
it's got a lot of roughness about it. It's got a spot that it needs frame repaired.
I'm saying.
Got an E58 that goes more exhaust of the breather than it does the exhaust. And it does not fire. It was too good of a deal to walk away from.
Yep.
Unless we're on driver license, if we can make it happen, let's buy this. But then it's like, oh, this is wrong with it, and that's wrong with it, that's wrong with it. Right there. You know.
So in a previous video, there was a Charger Rally that was sitting up on the hoist. This is now what it turned into. It's got a 360 Magnum for mock-up. Then he just uses the sheet metal and sets it up into a different chassis. Shortened it. Hooked up himself a frame jig.
Show my mess.
Pretty cool.
I've been doing a lot of reorganizing lately, and right now it's all disorganized.
And Jason might be he is going to be
am.
bringing another poly home for some goofy reason.
402.
Well, that concludes this one. The Duster will live on in a race car body. Jason, are you sad?
I'm sad, but it's being used. I'm keeping a lot of that car. I'm keeping the glass, all the interior. So I'm not getting rid of the whole car. Basically, just the shell that's completely rotted is going to go on to a different life. I'm still sad though.
So on that note, have a good day. Thanks for watching, and like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.